Oh, where are you going, baby? Oh. You gonna scratch a dragon fruit? Scratch mom's fruities? Her frutas? Where are you going? Oh, acrobatics today? Putting on the show. Ooh. Hmm? Ew. Concrete time, dirt time. Maxime. This is the greed they warned us about. This is the biblical greed that God warned us about. Look at this. Concrete and dirt. Greedy. This is the biblical greed, bro. What did you do today? I didn't see you like 30 minutes ago. I'm telling you, cats can just go missing, bro. Pick your color, huh? No. Maxie, hi. Where are we going now? Ooh, where to, Minna? Where to? Dog. No, no soy. Hi, you can't climb up there. Yeah, Max seems cute. Right, Max? Are you cute? Minna? You're cute, Minna? Hey? You cute, Minna? You cute? Hi. Minna. Minna, Minna, Minna. Hunter, Hunter, right? Hunter, Hunter?